Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to make void in Auracraft game. So first of all we need to start with guys plant. If you don't know how to create plant, just combine water and earth to make plant. Combine two plant to make tree. Now combine two trees to make air. Now just drag wind over air to make sky. Now combine two sky together to make space. Now combine space with space to make with space. I need to search for it. Let's make to just combine two space together to make galaxy. Now once we have galaxy, we need to combine it with now just combine earth with it. Earth, just drag earth over galaxy to make vortex. Now once we have vortex guys, we need to combine vortex with space. Do we have a space here? No, we need to search again. And here's the space. Drag space over vortex to make black hole. Now once we have black hole, combine time with it to make void. So this is how you can make void. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.